Hey yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Kele, yeah, you know how we do. I think you see with the attire, it's the 1st of November today, and I have decided to go on a sober challenge. Dude, welcome to Sober November. So it's Sober November. I've decided to go sober for about 30 days. 30 days straight sober. Imagine guys, I'm a bartender, so I think it's gonna be hard. Something that's gonna be a task. 30 days. And I wanna set myself to focus, to have a better mindset, a cleaner mindset. Because alcohol just messes up your thinking and all that. So I'm doing it basically just for me. Today is day one. Let me see how I can tackle this challenge. Today is day one, and I plan to not drink at all. You know it's rugby, so it's gonna be very busy at work because of the rugby. I'll be very busy. So, and you know, I'm trying not to go out after work to go drink or anything like that. So I'm trying to abstain from alcohol for 30 days. But this is gonna be one of the toughest challenges that I've ever done. This is gonna be one of the maybe exciting and mind-changing, mind-blowing challenge that I've ever done. But anyway, with that being said, let me go back inside work and see how we can tackle this challenge together. It's gonna be a tough one. She's working here. Kalo gang, what's good everybody? Still day one of not drinking out of 30 days. It's tough. The toughest thing I think, what makes it very tough is you're having to watch other people drinking and you know that you're not drinking. But so far I'm doing well, because I haven't really had the feeling of like saying I want to drink or something like that. But yeah, so far I'm doing well. So this is day one. But as I was saying earlier, I'm literally just doing this for me to get me better sleep, refresh my mind, and just to be sober. And maybe, you know, it's festive also. I have to be very careful and take it easy. So yeah, it's been a bit busy, so I couldn't come out. I couldn't make any videos. I was all up in the bar all the time during the game. As I was saying earlier also, that we had a rugby game today. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are enjoying this soberthon 30 days no alcohol in my body. It's gonna be nice. I don't know what to expect, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it. And that will be the end of day one. I'll catch up with you guys after a fresh air. I just came outside for some fresh air because it's been hectic. Thank you guys for watching, and join me on this 30 days. Day one, I'm nearly done with it, and yeah, it's working. I'm gonna do it. It refreshes the mind. You get better sleep. You get, you know, focus. You focus more. I don't really want to be an alcoholic at this age. I'm still young for being alcoholic. I don't want to be alcoholic anyway. So yeah, let me grab a quick blast of fresh air, talk to my girlfriend, and catch y'all guys maybe in the bar or later at home. Nice car. Cheers. Just finished shift just now. Busy day it was, and getting ready to go home. Usually this is the time when I usually come to work. I finish work sober, but this is the time when I feel like I want to go and have a drink, because I've been watching people drinking the whole day. So this is usually the time I then go like, hey, you know what, let me go have one. So I'm trying to go out today. I'm not going out today. I'm not trying to go and have any drink. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I get home. But I just finished my shift right now. Busy day, not so bad. Imagine a bartender going sober, bro. Bartender going sober for 30 days, and we are on day one. Just started. I don't feel any cravings. I'm not craving for alcohol. I was literally just drinking energy drink the whole day, water, and that's all. And I had something to eat. I had a burger, and yeah, from there I'm going home. I'll catch you guys when I get home. pictures. On top of the world, just finished working. There's always one thing that I always do. If you watch my week in the life of a bartender video, you'll know that there's always one thing that I always do every day when I finish working. I always come here and breathe in fresh air, you know, breathing in fresh air. And the view, guys, the view from here is amazing. I won't lie to you. If you look at that. If you look behind me, the city lights, the skyline, the view, the whole of Cape Town, I can see it from literally from here. The view. It's just that today is a bit cloudy, but you'd be able to see Table Mountain just behind me right there. This is beautiful. I wouldn't mind waking up seeing this every day. This is wow, out of this world. God is good, guys. And on a sober mindset as well, it actually shows you, it makes you think about a lot, or a lot of memories. What's good everybody? Welcome back to day 2. So yesterday I ended up finishing work and then going home, and then I just ended up sleeping, bruh. I was tired. It was genuinely tiring yesterday. So I just woke up today, got ready, and as you guys know, yesterday we were busy. We had rugby. I think you can see with the outfit change. Yesterday I was wearing the Springbok jersey. Today is a normal day at work, I guess. So today, just came back to work, got back. I'm just at work now, and we're on day 2 of the 30-day challenge. I'm trying to look for. I want to try a smoothie today. So I'll just get like bananas and yogurt and maybe milk and make a smoothie. You know, just to substitute the alcohol with something, you know, something nice, something sweeter, and something more healthier. So that's the plan for today. So later on I might have a smoothie instead of alcohol, and then we'll see how the day goes. I'll catch up with you guys maybe in the bar, show you a few things while at work, but I think I've shown you most of the stuff, really what I'll be doing behind the bar. But the one goal is to survive today without a drop of alcohol. It might be easy as well. But yeah, I can actually feel a cleaner mindset. I can feel that I'm happy, you know, I'm not really sad. I can feel like, you know, the hangover, that sickness, you know, when you feel like, but it's only day 1, but I'm starting to feel, you know, and no cravings yet, but maybe tomorrow. I know it's a time will come when I'm really cannot take it anymore. I know a time will come when I can't take it anymore. But anyway, let's see how today goes. Just got at work, and I was sitting outside here, you know, when I'm soaking in the view, soaking in some fresh air. So yeah, let's see how today goes. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later when everything's settled up. So I was in the bar just now, and some guys were having shots, and I'm hoping to really stop drinking this month, and I'm hoping to, you know, rekindle, reset, a clean reset, have a sober mindset, and, you know, just be a little bit more focused, because I have been abusing alcohol for a minute, and I've seen that every stress, every situation, every weekend, every going out, every time I'm with friends, there has to be alcohol. There's nothing. I want to see how I am without alcohol for a month. I want to know who I am without alcohol for the whole month. How do I react to certain things? How is my mindset? How do I think? How do I think when I'm not drinking? I'm genuinely just doing this for me, resetting and rekindling just for me, because sometimes it's too much. It's even tougher when you're a bartender, because now I'm working in the bar and I see people drinking every day. So, damn, bro. Anyway, let me go back in. I'm gonna take you guys when I'm now gonna go make a smoothie. Probably one of the hardest challenges I would ever have to do. I haven't really done much challenges ever in my life, but this one is gonna be probably the one of the hardest challenges. But I'm on that mindset of wanting to complete the goal. I'm on that mindset of wanting to finish it. I'm on that mindset of wanting to do it and push and keep you guys entertained. And also, just for me, for my sake. So someone got busy in the bar, and then I forgot to go and get the ingredients for the milkshake or for the smoothie that I wanted to do today. And I'm just getting a minute now. And this is the first time in the afternoon that I'm coming out and just grasping the air. But I'm in the front entrance. But anyway, I'll catch up with you guys definitely later. because it's a bit busy-ish right now, so that's why I'm in a hurry. So catch you up, but doing well so far, so good. Positive mindset. It's day 3. I'm opening the bar today, as you see. Remember yesterday I closed the bar. Today we're opening. I'm actually doing it that way with those glasses there. So today I'm gonna show you guys the procedures of opening a bar. And this is day 3 of my challenge. You know, my challenge. 30 days sober, and I'm on day 3 now. So today, what we wanna do now is to get the bar ready, set it up, because it's looking like no one has been here the whole night. So I have to put all the placements up, make sure I've got all the glasses, all the garnish and all the juices are ready, and then from there go fetch the stock at the storeroom, and then from fetching the stock, pack it in nicely, we get the bar ready for the day. And just like that, welcome to my main camp, bro. Welcome to my main camp, bro. This is my main camp. So right now what we're doing is, so in the morning procedures, we want to refill the bar, restock it and repack it and get everything that we saw during the weekend, because it's Monday today. So we want to restock everything that we saw and then put new stock into the bar. Pick it up nicely, clean the window so it's looking perfect for when the people start coming. So I usually like to come about an hour early, so I have enough time to do this before the shift. So we're getting ready for service really, and also I'm gonna also be cutting garnish now in a few minutes. Actually, you will love this one. You will love this one. Alright, cool. Okay, let me quickly do this. Catch you guys maybe when I'm unpacking it in the bar. Grocery shopping done. All the groceries are there. All that booze is going into the bar now. So yeah. With that being said, grocery shopping is done. So let's get into it. Look at all the booze, bro. Including not only the booze. There's also this booze. There's also that booze. Lots of booze, bro. It's 11 a.m. Monday morning and the bar is ready. The bar is set. And I think I will include 3 days of the challenge on this video, on this episode. So 3 days. Standing outside now, everything is set. I'm just ready for service. I'm just ready for people to come. We start working, we start pushing, we start grinding. Cape Town is looking beautiful from this point of view, as per usual, as per normal. But then all that's left is to start working, to start service. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. This will be, I think, 3 days, and then I'll catch you guys on day 7. If you like this comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share with yours.